How to remove all likes on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. And as you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of your activity under how you use Instagram category. So tap on your activity over here. And here under interactions, you can see the option of likes. So tap on likes over here. As you do that, you'll be able to see all the posts that you have liked over the period of time. So simply make a long press on the picture or the post that you want to unlike over here. You can do it for different other posts as well. So you can select whichever post you would want. And as you do that, tap on the option of unlike over here at the bottom of the screen. And here it asks you if you really want to unlike this post. So just tap on unlike. And as you do that, there you go. You have unliked your posts or all the likes on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.